Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tazib sir, dear students, and today we are going to learn chapter number 10. Already we have started, but now we are going to move on further, my dear students. Okay, so today we are going to learn exercise number 10b, question number 3. Okay, in last lecture, my dear students, we have done a question number 1 and question number 2. How many questions we have done in last session? In last session we have done a question number 1 and question number 2, and then we will move on further, my dear students. Okay, so now here, first of all, before starting our session, before starting our exercise number 10b, let's check here, my dear students, exercise number 10b, question number before starting our session, let's check here today's quote, and then we will move on further, my dear students. So now I am going to present here the today's quote. So my dear students, today's quote is what? Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. What, my dear students? Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. Understood? Now we will move on further, my dear students. So my dear students, now here we will going to learn exercise number 10b, question number 3, express in kilometer. I hope you all know, my dear students, the concept of the kilometer to meter or meter to kilometer. Okay, again I'll give you this demo for 2 to 3 minutes, my dear students. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters? 1000 meters. Okay, 2 kilometer is equal to 2000 kilometers. 3 kilometer is equal to 3000 kilometer. 3000 kilometer. 4 kilometer is equal to 4000 meter. It's like that till to 10. So now here we will going to learn about a question. We will going to learn a question number 3, express in kilometer. Okay, my dear students. So now let's check the first question number 1. Question number 1 is what? Question number 1 is 700 meter. Okay, first question is 700 meters. So now I am going to write, my dear students, here question number 1. Okay, now I am going to write, my dear students, here. Here, my dear students, we are going to learn a question number 1. 700 meter. Okay, 700 meters. So now here we will going to write the answer. 700 meter. 700 meter. So how many kilometer? I hope you all remember 700 meter is equal to 7 kilometer. Got my points, my dear students? This is the question number 1. Got my points all what I am telling you here? Okay, so this is the question number 1. 7 kilometer. Got my points, my dear students? 7 kilometer. Then after, my dear students, answer is what? Actually 7 kilometer. Answer is what? 7 kilometer. Got my points, my dear students, what I am telling you here? Now we will move on further, my dear students. Now here we will going to learn a question number 2. So now we write here the question number 2. Question number 2, my dear. Here I am writing here the question number 2. Okay, what is the question number 2? Check here the question number 2. 1500 meter. What, dear? 1500 meters. See, what my points, my dear students? So now we will going to learn. That means we will going to write the answer. First of all, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Okay, my dear students, 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer, And then after, my dear students, see here, 500 meter. Okay, 500 meters. So how many kilometers? 500 kilometer. So how many kilometers? 1.5 kilometer. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, so answer is what? Actually answer is what, my dear students? Answer is 1.5 kilometer. Okay, 1 and what? 1 is equal. Now we write the answer, my dear students, is equal to, answer is what? 1 and 1.5 kilometer. Got my points, my dear students? As like that we will going to learn, not a 11, 1 and 1.5 kilometer. Got my points, my dear students? Here we have done the question number A and B. Got my points, my dear students? Now we will going to learn question number 3. Okay, so now we note down this both answer, my dear students, and then we will move on question number C. Now, my dear students, we will move on the question number 3. What is the question number 3? 6,715 meter. What, my dear students? 6,715 meter. So I am going to write here the question number C. Okay, my dear students, I am going to write here the question number C. Then after, write the answers. Okay, 6,000. So how many, my dear students? 6,000 meter. So how many centimeter? 6,000 meter. So 6 kilometer. Okay, see, as like that, my dear students. And 715 meter. So how many, my dear students? 715 meters. So 715 meters is equal to 3/4 kilometer. Okay, 715 meter is equal to 3/4 kilometers. Got my points, my dear students? 3/4 kilometers. Got my points, my dear students? Now I am going to write the answer. So here is answer is what? Answer, what, my dear students? 6 and 3rd and 4th. 6 and 3/4 kilometer is our answer. Got my point, students? This is the main answer of 6 kilometer and 6 and 3/4 kilometer. Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. This is a question number, which question? This is a question number C. Okay, now we will going to learn question number D. Which question, my dear students, we are going to learn? We are going to learn a question number D. Okay, so now we will going to write the question number D. Okay, my dear, here we will going to write the question number D. Got my points? So now what is, let's check here first, what is the question number D? 8,500 meter. What? 8,500 meter. Got my point? 8,500 meter. So now here we will going to learn answer. Okay, 8,000 meter is equal to 8 kilometer. Got my points, my dear students? 8,000 meter is equal to 8 kilometers. Got my points, my dear students? And 500 meter is equal to how many kilometer? 1.5 kilometer. Okay, my dear students? 1.5 kilometer. meter. Got my points all what I am telling you here. Okay, 8,000 meter is equal to 8 kilometer, and 500, see here, 8,000 meter is equal to 8 kilometers, 500 meter is equal to 1.5 kilometers. So answer is what? 1.5 kilometers. So here we will going to mention answer. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, you note down this answer all, dear. Okay, then I'll explain you. So my dear students, answer is what? Answer is 8 kilometer, 8 and 1.5. Okay, 8 and 1.5 kilometers. Got my points, my dear students? Now we will move on the question number E and question number F. So now I am going to write here, my dear students, question number E. Okay. So now I am going to write, my dear students, here the question number E. Got my points, my dear students? Understood all? Now question number E. What is the question number E? 400 meter is equal to, my dear students, 4 kilometer. Got my points, my dear students? 4 kilometer. Okay, 400 meter is equal to 4 kilometer. Okay, then after what, my dear students? 250 meters. So how many kilometers? 1 and 4 kilometer. Okay, so now 215 meter, my dear students, is equal to 1 and 4 kilometer. Got my points, my dear students? Okay, I hope you all are understood. Okay, so now answer is what? 4 and 1.5 kilometer. Answer is what, my dear students? 4. Answer is 4 and 1.5 kilometer, dear. Okay, 1.5 kilometer. Got my points, my dear students? This is a question number E. Got my points, my dear students? And parallel with me, you note down this all answers. Okay, parallel with me, my dear students, you note down this all answer. Okay, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Now we will move on further. Question number, which question? Now we will move on the further question number F. Okay, and last question of this question number 3. Okay, so now I'm going to write, my dear students, question number F. Let's check here the question number F. Okay, so question number F is what? 5,750. What, my dear students? 5,750. Okay, so 5,000, here is 5,000 is equal to 5 kilometer, my dear students. 5,000 is equal to 5 kilometer. Then after 750 meter is equal to, my dear student, equal to third and fourth kilometer. Okay, 3rd and 4 kilometer. Got my points? Now here we will do the addition. 5 and 3rd and 4 kilometer. So total means main answer is what, my dear students? 5 kilometer, 5 and 3rd and 4 kilometer. Okay, my dear students, 5 and 3rd 4th kilometer. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you here? Okay, so here we have done a question number. Here we have done a question number E and F, and main question number 3 expressed in kilometer we have done. Got my points, my dear students? Now this question I'll give you as a homework, as a form of the homework. Question number 4 and question number 5 expressed in kilometer and expressed in meter. You have to do as like that in your rough book first, and then you have to go into check, and then you have to write the answer. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, Okay, again I explain you, my dear students, as the same as the question number 1, 2 and 3, you have to do your own self to write the question number 4, question number 5, okay, and question number 6 we are not going to perform. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Okay, so now we will move on further, my dear students, directly on a new topic, a measurement of mass. What, my dear students? Now directly we will move on the new topic or new concept, measurement of mass, weight. We use kilograms, kg to weight heavier objects and grams to weight lighter ones. Okay, we use kilogram, kg to weight heavier objects and grams to weight a lighter ones. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you? Again and again I repeat, weight it's called a mass. Okay, weight it's called a mass. We use kilograms to weight heavier object and grams to weight lighter ones. Got my points, my dear students? Kg. Okay, kg means what? What is the full form of kg? See here, what is the full form of kg? So full form of kg is what, my dear students? Kilogram. Okay, my dear students, kilogram. Okay, and then after, what is the full form of grams? So full form of g, full form of g is what? Full form of g is gram. Got my points, my dear students? Again I am telling you, g's full form is grams, g's full form is grams, and kg's full form is what? Kilogram. kg's full form is kilogram. Got my points, my dear students? So now I am going to going to teach you a charts. Okay, means a kg, how to convert kg to kg means kilogram to gram and gram to kilogram. Got my points, my dear students? Now I am going to explain you a kilogram to gram and gram to kilogram. Okay, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, 2 kilogram is equal to 2000 grams, 3 kilograms is equal to 3000 grams, 4 kilograms is equal to 4000 grams, 5 kilograms is equal to 5000 grams, 6 kilograms is equal to 6000 grams, 7 kilograms is equal to 7000 grams, 8 kilograms is equal to 8000 grams, and 9 kilograms is equal to 9000 grams. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. Okay, this is a C, weight pan of 1 kilogram. This is a 500 and 500 it's make a 1 kilogram. Okay, and 1 kilogram it's make a 250 gram plus 250 gram plus 250 gram 250 gram. See, as like that, my dear students, both 500 grams weight pan it's made of 1 kilogram. Got my points? 5 kilograms 500 grams it's made of 1 kilogram. Okay, my dear students? And then after, my dear students, 1 kilogram is a small unit. So 250 4 times, 1 2 3 and 4. How many times, my dear students? Is the 4 times. Okay, got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you. And one more concept is here, 1000 gram. Okay, here is the mistake, my dear students. Here is the misprinted, textbook misprinted is what? 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. What, my dear students? 1000 gram. See, I am writing here, my dear students, for you, 1000 gram. Okay, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Got my points, my dear students? This is important for us. Okay, see, 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Okay, got my points, my dear students? What I am telling? Okay, so now, my dear students, I am going to explain further. 500 gram is equal to 1.5 kilogram, 215 gram is equal to 1/4 kilogram, and 715 gram is equal to 3/4 gram. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Okay, so now my dear students, we will move on further. Okay, now we will move on further, my dear students. Now, my dear students, we are going to move example of kilograms to grams, kilograms to gram, and grams to kilogram. Got my point, my dear students? Kilograms to grams and grams to kilogram. In a secret garbage bin, a 4 and 3/4 kilogram is a plastic, and 2 kilogram and 800 gram is paper. What, my dear students? In a street garbage, means street dustbin, has a 4 and 3.5 is a plastic, and a second and means a 2 kilograms, 2 kilogram and 800 gram is a paper. How would we show this in gram? Okay, how would we show this in gram? Got my points, my dear students? 4 and 4 kilogram. So means, my dear students, as per we learn 4 kilograms. So how many grams? 4 kilogram is equal to 400 grams, and 3/4 kilograms. So how many grams? 750. Got my points, my dear students? 4 kilogram is equal to 400 grams, and 3/4 kilogram is equal to 715 grams. Got my points, my dear students? So answer is what? First of all, we do the addition and then we will write the answer. Okay, 400 plus 4000 plus 715. So answer is what? 4715 grams. See, this is our main answer. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here, see, this is our answer. Okay, it's convert to kilograms to gram. What, my dear students? It's kilograms to gram and grams to kilogram. Okay, my dear, what I am telling you, you all are understood? Okay, so my dear students, now see, grams to kilogram. What, my dear students? Grams to kilogram. A household in India generates about 3,450 gram of the waste every day. What? A household means each and every house in India generates about 3,450 gram of waste every day. Each what, my dear students? Each every day. Okay, each house. How much is that? Is a kilogram and gram. So we have to find grams to kilograms. Okay, so question is what? 3,450 gram. What, my dear students? 3,415 grams. Okay, so 3,000 is equal to how many kilograms? 3,000 gram is equal to 3 kilograms. Okay, 3,000 grams is equal to 300 kilograms, and 450 gram. Okay, my dear students, 3,450 grams is equal to 3 kilogram and 450 gram. Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Now, my dear students, we will move on further our exercise. Okay, exercise number 10. See, where my dear students, we are going to move on question number first. Okay, we are going to move on question number F. My dear students, so now here we will go into exercise number 10. See, okay, what is that? Exercise number 10. See, and question number first, express in gram. So this all is given in, we have to write in answer in gram. Got my points, my dear students? We have to write in answer in grams. So question number first, A. Okay, first A is what? 3 kilograms. Okay, my dear students, 3 kilogram. So 3 kilogram. So how many grams is 3 kilograms is equal to 3,000 grams. Got my points, my dear students? Is answer number 1. Okay, got my point? Is the answer number 1, answer number A. Okay, note down this answer, my dear students. Okay, question number A, 3 kilograms is equal to 3000 grams. Got my points? Now we will move on further, my dear students. Question number B. What is the question number B? Question number B is 9000. Okay, sorry, 9 kilograms. So how many grams? 9000 grams. It's like that, my dear students. Okay, 9 kilometer is equal to 9000 grams. Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, now we will move on the question number C. What is the question number C? 8 and 1.5 kilogram. So 8 kilogram, 8 kg, 8 kilogram, my dear students. So 8000 gram. Okay, 8 kilogram is equal to 8000 gram. Got my points, my dear students? And 1.5 kilogram, 1.5 kilogram, my dear students, is equal to how many? 500 grams. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? Okay, so this is our answer. And how can we write the main answer? As like that, 8000 plus 500. So main answer is what? 8500 kilogram. Okay, my dear students? Okay, 8000 grams. Sorry, we have to write the answer as like that, my dear students. And we have to write the answer in gram. Okay, so 8500 grams. Okay, this is our main answer of question number C. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you here. Okay, so now you note down this answer. Okay, and then we'll move on further the question number 7. You try to solve the question number 7 on self, my dear students. I am only going to explain the 1 to 4 example, and then you have to write this solve the whole question. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you here? Then after, my dear students, question number D. What is the question number D? 7 and 1 and 4 kilogram. So 7 kilogram is equal to 7000 grams, and 1 and 4 kilogram is equal to 215 grams. So answer is what? 7215 gram. What, my dear students? Answer is what? I am only write the answer here. 7215 gram of question number D. Got my points, my dear students? This is a question number D. Okay, I hope you all understood, dear. Okay, so my dear students, now I'll give you today's homework. What is today's homework? I'll give you homework today's. Today's homework. Okay, my dear, today's homework is what? Chapter number 10. Chapter number 10, measurement. Okay, chapter number 10, measurement. And which exercise? Exercise number 10B. Till to wall question, my dear students. Okay, whole exercise you have to write. Question number 1 to 5. Okay, how many times? 1 time. Got my points, my dear students? Question number 1 to 5, exercise number 10B, you have to write in your rough book, and then after you check the correct answer, and then you have to write in your fair book. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood betterly. Okay, so my dear students, try to do not try but must be, you have to do your today's homework. Okay, exercise number 10B, whole exercise you have to write in your rough book, and then after, my dear students, you should check this answer is all correct. Okay, and then my dear students, you to start writing in your file. Understood what I am telling you? Thank you so much my dear students. Thank you from watching this video. Okay, stay safe, stay home. Thank you all.